Hey everyone. So if you haven't heard, I'm going to be hosting my first virtual bug bounty hunting workshop live on February 21st. This will be a 9-hour workshop designed to teach you everything you need to start bug bounty hunting today. Now there are still a handful of tickets left, so if you want to guarantee your spot for the training, I've got a link in the description where you can purchase your ticket now, but just honestly don't wait too long because they've been going fairly quickly since I announced it about a week ago. However, there's also going to be several opportunities coming up over the next few weeks for you to win tickets as well. And the first of those chances is going to be coming up in just a few days. I've got a new video series that I'm doing with my good friend Mike, aka Ducko, aka I think a lot of other things, but new video series called What You've Been Up To. And in this series, we meet every few weeks to discuss what progress has been made in the community and what exciting stuff we've got coming down the pipe for everybody as well. We're going to be recording a new episode for this series in just a few days. And at some point in that video, I'm going to be giving instructions on how you can win. Now, I'm going to tell you in advance, it is going to involve my new Discord server. So if you haven't checked out the new server and you're hoping to win, I would definitely recommend jumping in there and kind of getting the lay of the land. The link will be in the link to join it, I guess, will be in the description. You know what I'm talking, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway. So if you want to join me for an all-day workshop where we talk through a comprehensive methodology to get you started on your bug bounty hunting journey, keep an eye out here on YouTube as well as on the Discord channel for instructions on how to win. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the Discord server. Cheers.